Hello viewers, you are watching FES275 EST Safe Fume Extraction System on your screen. In this video, we will guide you few steps to resolve the errors while using this fume extraction system. So, few errors you might encounter periodically while using this unit. The first common error is unit is not switching on. So, if you are facing this problem, then you need to just check the fuse first. So, there is a fuse holder located on the side of this unit, and with the help of a flat screwdriver you can take out the fuse holder socket and check the continuity of fuse with the help of a multimeter. So, if the continuity is found okay, then it means the fuse there is not any problem with the fuse. Just insert the fuse holder into the this socket and then switch the unit on after connecting the power cord. We can see that the unit is now switching on. So, if you face such problem, the first step you should take is to check the continuity of fuse. Another error you might encounter, a square shape figure rotating clockwise on your screen. It means that either the HEPA filter or the middle filter are choked, and there is no suction possible right now. So, to resolve this error, we need to take out the filter from the this main body and just inspect all the filters. If you find any filter contaminated or choked, then replace that filter and then restart the unit. Now we will replace the filter if we found it contaminated or choked. Then insert the filter assembly back into the main unit and keep the metal plate on top of the filter. Fix the gasket. And then fix the top lid and fix all 4 clamps as well. And after doing this, switch on the unit. Now we will see that unit is back into function and suction has started, and the problem we were facing earlier is now no longer persists. It means the filters were contaminated or choked, and after replacing the filters, either the middle or HEPA filter, the error has been resolved. Error you might see that is error is flashing on the display. So you can watch on your screen that error and then off signal is flashing on the display. It means there might be any problem inside the circuit or the motor. So we need to check the hardware of the motor and the PCB if any malfunctioning is there or not. And to resolve this error, you need to send the unit back to us, because you might not be having the PCB or the extra motor to resolve this error. So if you face such error, then you need to contact us so that we can provide you a possible solution. So in this video, we have explained you a few steps to resolve the errors which you might face while using this unit. So hope the steps guided by us are useful to you, and it will certainly help you to uh, find a possible solution of the problem you are facing. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.